free personalized email address with your matching professional domain extension. In latest technology, personal and business communication is faster with webmail experience. Today I am going to share with you that you can create professional looking email ID completely free for life. You can choose domain that fits your lifestyle, profession, location or personality, and through this personalization their email address will become an expression of who they are or where they are from. I will include all links and details to get all required tools in description below. So please watch the video to the end to get all step-by-step details. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified first as soon as I upload a new all my future videos. Once you click on my provided link, you will come up on this website with selection of more than 200 unique domains to pair with their desired addresses completely free. You can choose a domain that fits your lifestyle, profession, location or personality, and through this personalization their email address will become an expression of who they are or where they are from. For example, USA.com, Europe.com, Asia.com as well as many other geographical focused domains are available for free. In order to create new email ID, you require to sign up. Once you select your email ID, you also have option to select over 200 domains: mail.com, email.com, USA.com, myself.com, consultant.com, post.com, Europe.com, Asia.com, iname.com, writeme.com, doctor.com, engineer.com, cheerful.com, plus accountant, activist, all professional, Asia.com, auctioneer.com, appraiser.net, chef.net, cashforyou.com, over 200, disposable.com, fireman.net, gardener.com. Any domain you can select as your profession and it's completely free. Technical, consultant.com, null.net, music, USA, USA.com, nycmail.com, world, Asia.com, safrican.com, spiritual, priest.com, muslim.com, religious.com, angelic.com. So anyone you can select with your email ID and you require to check is available. That's yours for completely free. Select your email ID, Mr. or Mrs., first name, last name, your country, state, date of birth. Select create unique password, repeat password, phone number, and security prompt, just I'm not robot. Then click and create email account now. Once you create your account successfully, you will receive a confirmation email and you follow the steps. You also have option to free download mail.com extension. That will be very useful to access your email. Click to download. I already have it, otherwise you can select and download up to here. It's gonna be right here. Once you go on mail.com, frequently asked question, please read and check all the terms and conditions. Once you finish everything, you will receive this kind of mailbox with your email ID. I already have an ID, so I'm not creating another one. Also, anyone want an email address to communicate with their profession can select wide range of professionally focused domains such as doctor.com, financier.com, publicist.com, engineer.com, and consultant.com. Every email address is completely free. Create an email account with its innovative webmail system. Provide solutions for personal and small business and enterprises. It is accessible from any computer with internet connection and all completely free. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.